Welcome to the trade table. Today, we are going to discuss Thor Kitchen Appliances. Thor Kitchen offers a range of professional-grade appliances such as ranges, refrigerators, dishwashers, and wine coolers. They combine performance and stylish design to upgrade any kitchen. The best Thor Kitchen Appliances. Thor 36-inch Professional Electric Cooktop provides precise heat and sleek design for a balance of power and style. Thor 48-inch dual fuel appliance packages includes propane gas burners, electric ovens, range hoods, and more to enhance kitchen performance and aesthetics. Thor 48-inch 6-burner gas range features 6 burners and a griddle, offering professional functionality at an accessible price. Who makes Thor Kitchen Appliances? Thor Kitchen manufactures professional-style kitchen appliances known for durability and style. Where are Thor Kitchen Appliances made? Thor appliances are produced in China, combining quality manufacturing with cost-effective production. Is Thor a good brand for kitchen appliances? Thor is recognized for offering professional-grade appliances at affordable prices, with durable designs and robust performance, appealing to both home cooks and chefs. Is Thor as good as Wolf? Wolf is a high-end brand with advanced technology and durability, while Thor offers professional features at a more budget-friendly price. Thor is a solid alternative for those looking for professional-style appliances without the high cost. Is Thor better than Zline? Thor focuses on sturdy construction and performance, while Zline emphasizes aesthetic design and customization. Thor is ideal for professional kitchen experiences, whereas Zline caters to those who prioritize style. Thor versus Zline. Warranty coverage. Both brands offer a 1-year limited warranty. Thor extends coverage on specific parts like burners to 5 to 10 years, providing better long-term reassurance. Durable materials. Thor and Z-Line both use durable stainless steel and cast iron for longevity, making them suitable for heavy kitchen use. Performance and cooking power. Thor and Z-Line ranges both offer powerful BTU outputs, with Thor focusing on dual fuel ranges and Z-Line specializing in high BTU gas ranges for professional cooking. Thor versus Forno. Italian flair versus Scandinavian simplicity. Forno brings bold Italian style to appliances, while Thor embraces minimalist Scandinavian design with clean lines and muted colors for an understated elegance. Is Thor considered a high-end appliance? Thor is considered a mid-range brand, offering professional-grade features without the luxury price tag of high-end brands. Is Thor a premium brand? Thor offers premium features like professional design and solid construction, but at a more affordable price, making it accessible for a wider audience. How long has Thor Kitchen been in business? Founded in the mid-2010s, Thor Kitchen has quickly gained popularity by offering a balance between professional quality and affordability. What is the average lifespan of Thor Kitchen appliances? Thor Kitchen appliances typically last 10 to 15 years with regular maintenance, thanks to their durable stainless steel construction. Are Thor Kitchen appliances energy efficient? Designed for energy efficiency, Thor Kitchen appliances include features like LED lighting and variable speed motors to reduce energy usage and costs. How do Thor Kitchen appliances compare to commercial-grade appliances? Thor Kitchen appliances deliver professional-grade performance at a more accessible price, with powerful burners and spacious ovens, ideal for home kitchens. Are Thor Kitchen appliance packages a better value than individual purchases? Thor Kitchen offers appliance packages at a discounted rate, providing savings and a coordinated look for your kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked this content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you want to buy Z-Line appliances, be sure to check out thetradetable.com. Have a great rest of your day.